All right, what is up, everyone? Today is August 14th. Today is a Friday. Today I made only $187 today. Here's my P&L right here. Got the account to $25,708 so far while I've been tracking this. This is on a funded. Currently, we are one day away from a payout. We only need about 290 bucks left to secure a minimum payout, which is what I'll be doing, is just taking the payout as soon as I'm able to. But today was super simple price action. I know it looks a little bit choppy, but once we get into after 10 a.m., it was pretty clean, and we ended up getting a nice move lower. But going into the day, going into 10 a.m. this morning, I had a bearish bias because this 6 a.m. candle closed inside. We wicked above 2 a.m. candle high right here while leaving the 2 a.m. candle low untouched, and we closed back inside this range. So from there, I was looking for shorts, super simple, and I noticed that for our point of interest, we used a order block today, and this 9:45 candle closed below this 9:30 15-minute up close candle. So that created this up close candle to become an order block. So for 10 a.m., I wanted to see us open higher into this order block and then distribute lower, which is exactly what we have been doing all morning long. And it looks like we're pretty much dumping, probably to fill in some of these imbalances over here on the left, is just my overall thesis. We also have some good draws lower, but possibly go lower towards the sell side. But I just wanted to see us manipulate higher into this up close candle, which was considered an order block. And then from there, I scaled down to the lower time frame. So I'm going to go ahead and mark out 10 a.m. opening price, which was right here. Here's 10 a.m. opening price. So we can see we open right here, and then we end up manipulating into the 15-minute order block, and then we distribute lower. So this is what I was looking for right here. As you can see, we clearly get it. I used this stop hunt. You could have used this stop hunt right here, and I marked this out right here like this. And then I was looking for a bearish change in the state and delivery, which we ended up getting right here. And then I went short with 2 micros. I ended up getting filled right at the CISD. Stop loss was at this high, of course, like every time, and then targeting a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And here's my execution. So I guess I got filled a little bit higher. Yeah. So it was something like this right here, right out of 1-to-1. And then I only made $187 off of this. I wish I honestly would have risked about 3 micros to make about 270-ish, but I was not at my setup this morning. I was trading off my phone just because I was busy earlier in the morning. Couldn't be at my setup, so I didn't want to over risk, and I just wanted to keep my risk sort of small and managed just because I couldn't be at my setup and looking at it the whole time. But this was super clean trade. It played out pretty much within 4 minutes. Very green week. Every single trade that we took this week was a winner. So hopefully going into next week we can see some A plus setups. But for the next setup that I'm looking to take is going to be obviously only an A plus setup. Probably going to be risking around $300 to hopefully get the payout with Lucid. So very clean day. Clearly we're falling a lot more, but I only hold for 1-to-1 risk reward with my strategy, and that's the way I follow it only. And yeah, hope you guys have had a great trading day. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Thank you guys for watching. All right, bye.